Hey guys, good morning guys. This is J.A. Pigeon Loft. Good morning. My birds. See? I'm about to feed them right now, they're hungry. I'm about to give them some food, some corn today. Yeah guys, you know what I mean? The birds in this ear. So look at the babies. Baby's getting big. You see? They're over there sleeping. So if you guys wanted birds, you know, to buy, you guys can always come to J.A. Loft in New Jersey and support, you know what I mean? We got all kind of birds, you know what I mean? Yeah, we got more over here. You know what I mean? Sitting on eggs. Hey, what's up, Birdie? Hey, what's up? His name is Birdie. Hey, Birdie, what's up, Birdie? You know what I mean? Birdie don't like nobody mess with him. Hey, Birdie, what's up? Yeah, we got the birds over there too. We got more eggs. Got more eggs over there as well. You know what I mean? I don't know why they go put the eggs on the ground. We got more right here. But it's nice, little pretty one right here. So pretty. That's right. So in the pigeon loft. Some corn, you know what I mean? That's what we're talking about. Now here's some corn. Some corn for today. Who made the road? Who made the road? They know it's food time. They know it's food time. Over here feeding them, you know? Give them the food. That's it. That's it for them now. They're gonna eat. Have a good time. This is J.A. Pigeon Loft. You know what I mean? We got a lot of white birds. We got all kinds of different colors. So if you guys interested, come to J.A. Pigeon Loft. We got some nice healthy pigeon for you guys. You know what I mean? Yeah. Nice and healthy. And you know what I mean? Good flyers and good owners and good racing pigeons. Remember, support. You know what I mean? Tap the screen, subscribe, and do the right. Over here. Have a wonderful day. And you guys be safe and enjoy the life. And enjoy the stream as well. You know what I mean? So, thank you.